what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel, the Moto Soul. This will be my first video and will serve as an introduction to the channel. My name is Braden. I'm 26 years old. I live here in beautiful Dallas, Texas. I am Korean American, hence the name of the channel, the Moto Soul. Meant to be somewhat of a double entendre. And despite all the advice the internet has for new riders, I went out and bought an 800cc Italian Supersport as my very first bike. So here it is, the real star of the channel, my 2022 MV Agusta F3 Rosso. And just like the title of the video says, this is my first bike. I bought the bike in December of 2021, and this thing literally sat in my garage for about 4 to 5 weeks until I was able to get out and take the MSF course earlier this year. So I've been riding for a few months now and starting to get used to the bike, and I have to say I absolutely love this bad boy. MV Agusta makes beautiful bikes. This thing is truly a work of art. It sounds incredible, especially after replacing the factory exhaust system. So I'm starting the channel to capture my experience as a new rider, my experience with the MV Agusta brand, as well as to showcase the Dallas Metro bike scene. So I'm sure as we go along in the channel here and we get going that we'll go to different bike meets and different events and whatnot. I also have a few friends who have sport bikes, so we'll meet up with them along the way. But that's really all for this one. Just a short video to introduce myself and the motorcycle and kind of get everybody going here. So for future content, subscribe and ring the bell. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Peace!